the World Botanical Therapy channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make sea moss gel. It's a quick step-by-step process that I'm going to show you, and we will start with our golden sea moss. Here we go. Sea moss is actually an algae that lives in the ocean. We actually source ours from St. Lucia because it has some of the cleanest waters in the Caribbean. We also are going to hydrate it using clean alkaline water, lemon and lime, because it does have an ocean smell to it when you first get it. And I feel like the lemon and lime not only is an antibacterial naturally and kills any germs, but it also helps balance out and get rid of that ocean type of taste. So we have our dried sea moss here, as you can see. And what we're gonna do is we are going to rinse all of the ocean floor debris off of it. A lot of times there'll be sand. You just wanna wash it really good. Rinse it the best way that you can. Okay, so now that we have the sea moss rinsed, we'll place it in our bowl, fully submerged in alkaline water. Take our lime half, we're gonna squeeze it on the moss. And then just go ahead and leave the rind right in the bowl. Make sure it's fully submerged with its juice. I only put 1 ounce, I put a small amount. I'm only gonna do 1 lime. However, you have the opportunity of choosing how many limes or lemons you would like to put in your own sea moss. Now that it's been sitting overnight, this is what it looks like. Our sea moss now has expanded to almost probably 3 times the size it was before. And now it's kind of a slippery texture. This is what you want. Drain it into this bowl, and we're gonna take all of this water full of ocean and water the plants. And then we are going to go back and rinse the rest of anything that's left on here before we blend it into gel. What we're gonna do, now that it's all hydrated with that nice alkaline or purified water, is we're just gonna rinse the rest of any kind of debris that's left over. Do you see how nice and translucent it is? This is what it turns into. How you'll know it's done? When you keep rinsing it, you should probably do it in your colander. You can do it in your bowl as well. The water that you dump should then be clear. Once that's the case, it is washed and hydrated. Now on to the blending process. So I'm gonna use my magic bullet, and what we're gonna do is put some of the sea moss inside, okay? And you can fill it with a liquid of your choice. I'm going to be using coconut water because it has also really healthy properties. Coconut water. At this point you can add fruit or any other types of food that you would like for taste. Now we are going to blend it up. Okay, so we had a bit of technical difficulty. Let me cut in really quickly. My bullet went out, and it has nothing to do with the sea moss. It's just for the fact that it was an older blender. So I actually went out and purchased this new Ninja. So hopefully this time we can get through it. I decided to actually also add a little freshly cut pineapple to it. So here we go. I'm going to close it. I might have made a little bit more, but I'm going to transfer just into the 1 mason jar for now. This consistency is very smooth, but it's probably more like a smoothie at this point because I added pineapple, which is okay. So when you transfer it into your jar, you want to keep it covered with the mason jar lid and keep it refrigerated for up to about 3 weeks. Every day that you want to use it, you can add it to smoothies, tea, coffee, any types of soups, depending on taste and what you add to it. You just take about 2 tablespoons a day. But you can make it any way you want to, but that is the very basics to making your sea moss gel that you can have daily. And there you have it, your sea moss gel. If you like this video or you would like to learn about more recipes and herbs, don't forget to like and share and subscribe.